Solve division with remainder using times table.
Hi, shiny star. Last night, I was trying to figure out how to use the times table to solve division with remainders. Like, for 7 divided by 2. I know we think 2 times what equals 7, but 7 isn't in the 2 times table.
That's where the fun starts, Greenie. When the number isn't in the times table, it means there's a remainder. So, we find the biggest number in the times table that's close to 7 but doesn't go over it.
Oh, that's 6. Because 2 times 3 equals 6.
You've got it! Now, the remainder is what's left. Take the 7 and subtract the 6. 7 minus 6 equals 1. So, 7 divided by 2 equals 3 remainder 1.
Oh, now I get it. But it's still a little tricky. Can we try another one?
Absolutely! Watch how I do this one. 9 divided by 2. I think about the 2 times table. 2 times what equals 9? 2 times 4 equals 8 and 2 times 5 equals 10. We can't go over 9. So I stop at 2 times 4 equals 8. Now for the remainder. Subtract 9 minus 8 equals 1. So, 9 divided by 2 equals 4 remainder 1.
Oh, so the first number in the answer is how many times 2 fits, and the remainder is what's left. I think I can try now.
Go for it, Greenie. Try 13 divided by 5. I'll help if you need it.
Okay, let me think. 5 times table. 5 times what is close to 13. 5 times 2 equals 10 and 5 times 3 equals 15. We can't go over 13, so we stop at 5 times 2 equals 10. For the remainder, 13 minus 10 equals 3. Now it's time to write the answer. First, we write how many times 5 fits into 13, which is 2. Then, the remainder is 3. So, 13 divided by 5 equals to remainder 3.
You're doing great! Let's practice some more. 15 divided by 2.
15 divided by 2 equals 7 remainder 1.
Nice work! Next up, 17 divided by 5.
17 divided by 5 equals 3 remainder 2.
Awesome! How about 7 divided by 3?
7 divided by 3 equals to remainder 1.
Brilliant! Next one, 11 divided by 4.
11 divided by 4 equals 2 remainder 3.
Amazing! Last one, 41 divided by 5.
41 divided by 5 equals 8 remainder 1.
You're unstoppable! Next time, we'll have a fun division quiz with a mix of problems, some with remainders and some without. Can't wait to see you crush it again!
Hi everyone! How did you do with division today? I hope you had a fantastic time. More division fun is waiting for us. See you soon!